Hello friends, welcome after long vacation. Okay, so we will continue our chapter file handling. We already studied in this chapter how to open file, how to write file, how to read multiple lines in file, how to write multiple lines in file from file. So we already studied all these. So now the time is to study how to handle binary files. So means how to open binary file, how to write binary file, and how to read binary files. There is small difference between the text file and binary file handling. So using just B along with the W or R, so that will be treated as a binary file. So we talk about how to write binary file first. This is the code to write binary files. See here I just written B for binary. So if you want to use binary file, so just put the B. So you can put B, W plus B or WB, both are the same. So there is no difference. And here we already did mydata.dat. Dat is a conventional technique. Do not use text txt because the txt is the extension for text, so it is not looking better as per convention, but there is no difference if you are using text with the binary. But try to not use txt. So better to use dat or anything what you want. So the file name is basically mydata.dat and the rest code is same. Opening file and writing file. Thus here is the difference is encoding, because if you are using binary file, so you have to encode your binary file text data into binary. So now you are encoding your text data into binary. So UTF-8 we are using. So your data, what you are reading is, what you are passing here is in text format, that is being converted into binary using UTF-8. So now this is encoding. This is the only difference. So the B is difference and this encoding is difference. The rest is same. So after encoding, you just writing the data, flushing and closing. The same way reading. While reading, use the file name, open with the file name and RB. B is to read the binary file. So reading in format of B. So reading binary file and reading data. And reading data is when you will read data, it will come into binary data. So to print into the text format, you have to decode now. So while writing, you are encoding your text dot encode. You are encoding in UTF-8 format, and here you are decoding your txt, what you are reading from file, decoding into UTF-8 format. So encoding and decoding. This encoding and decoding will help you to manage the binary files to text and text to binary. Okay. The same way, if you are using W plus along with the B, the same code, encoding and decoding will help you to convert text to binary and binary to text. Encoding and decoding. So here again the same way, WB plus, it means you are writing binary file with the reading mode facility. So just open your file into WB plus mode, write your data, flush your data and point your location from where you want to read. I want to read from starting, so putting 0. You can change your byte what you want, you already know it. And then reading your data and then decoding what data you have taken from the file, because in your file there is that data in binary format. So that has to be decoded into text format. So this data is being decoded into UTF-8 format and then printing on the screen. So this is a simple way to handle the binary file. Thus, there are two different points, the use of B and use of encode and decode. Let's check it. How now we are running it. Okay, so this is the menu. One point more. I'm also telling you how to use menu. because most of you are confused how to handle menu, how to use menu, how to write menu. I will tell you how this code is done. So we have created a menu with write in binary file, read data from binary file, and write and read data to and from binary files. These three topics we already discussed before. So write in binary file is option 1. So just I'm writing, choosing point option 1, and what you want to write. Okay, suppose this is my test. I want to write this into the file. Just press enter. So data is already written, and then menu again is displaying. Now I'm choosing 2 to display what you have written into binary file. Just choose 2 and see that text is this is my test. This was written before here while writing the data. So this is the reading. So option 2 is taken reading data from binary file and printing here. So this is the reading and writing using binary file. Okay, the same way, the third option is write and read data from binary file, that is using WB plus mode. So WB plus mode means WB is the just binary file writing, and plus means the additionally reading is added. So for the reading you not need to open your file in form of read mode, in reading mode. So just I'm choosing here 3, so it will allow me to enter something into binary file. So I'm entering here, I am a student of KV. I'm a student of KV. I'm just printing, and this is reading my entering my data into text file, binary file, and after entering the data is being flushed, and after flushing this reading is being done, and after reading conversion and after conversion is printed on the screen. So writing and reading both along with the single function. So writing and reading into single function using WB plus mode. So this is the reading and writing into binary file. That's very simple. Everything is same, only you have to use B while opening the file, and while writing you have to encode, and while reading you have to decode. So encoding and decoding pure matter. Encoding means you are converting from binary to text, and decoding means decoding means you are converting from binary to text, and encoding means you are converting from text to binary. This is the encoding and decoding. Okay, so we'll discuss till now, that is sufficient. We'll discuss in next video how to use with statement. Okay, till now, goodbye.